In order to start the next steps, you're going to need yarn and a crochet hook. I am just using a 5mm hook. And then I'm going to take my yarn and, like I showed you on the photos page, do a slip knot and start a chain. So once you have successfully gotten confident creating a base chain, you can then move on to some more difficult stitches. So I'm going to take my chain and my extra yarn, and first I'm going to show y'all how to do a single crochet. So in order to do a single crochet, you're going to take your hook and slide it through one of your chains, so that way you have 2 loops on your hook. Grab your slack yarn and pull it through, and you should still have 2 loops on your hook. You'll take your slack yarn and pull through both in order to create a single crochet. Next, you can do a double crochet. So in order to do a double crochet, you're going to wrap your yarn prior to sticking it through your chain. Stick it through the chain, grab your slack yarn, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. Last, we're going to do a treble crochet. So you're going to wrap twice, stick through the chain, hook your yarn, pull through. We now have 4 loops. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, yarn over, pull through the third 2. So these just all create different heights of chains.